In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a PDF of photos in Adobe Acrobat. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the Tools menu up top left, and then click on Create PDF. Now, if you only have one image and you want to create a PDF out of that one image, you can go to Single File, click on here, select your image like this, click on it and click on Open. And then when you do that, click on the Create button and it's going to basically create a PDF out of that. So as you can see here, this is now a PDF created out of my PNG image. However, if you don't want that, and if you actually have multiple images which you would like to turn into a one singular PDF, you can go to Tools as well, go to Create, and from here select Multiple Files. Then choose Combine Files, click on Next, and then you have to add the files by clicking over here or just dragging and dropping. You can select the files by clicking on each and every single one while holding down your Control key on your keyboard. So Control key and then click on those and click on Open. When you do that, they're going to open in here, click on Combine. It's going to load for a few seconds and it's going to open the new file over here, which is a combined PDF document, as you can see up top, of your PNG or whatever images you've been using. Of course, you can then export this as a PDF, go to File, top left. You can do Save As or Export To, and then basically export it as a PDF just like this. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.